Hello everyone, my name is Francesco. I've been studying social science for about 1.5 years at Ansic College and I really enjoy it so far. The social science program at Ansic College is an exciting and diverse pre-university program that prepares students for university studies and the social science, as well as law, education, and administration by offering a sequence of courses in anthropology, biology, business, economy, etc. With a diploma of college studies in social science, it allows students to pursue university studies in any social science field. The social science program seeks to develop the abilities of students to research, analyze, and communicate within the context of a wider awareness of the world. Indeed, my goal in this program is to obtain my college degree to apply in law at University of UCAM or McGill to become a corporate lawyer, which is basically someone who is an expert in law. They are tasked with ensuring a company transaction comply with corporate law and regulation. You start a business in corporate law. Doing business with a lawyer is essential. When you start your business, your lawyer becomes the business partner who helps you understand and implement a number of business law mechanics, like incorporation, capitalization, more and less complex, adapt to your needs, shareholder agreement, voting convention, stock plan, etc. Not only that, for a corporate lawyer, diligence would involve work such as finding proof of certain statements made in a prospectus or researching past company filing or disclosure document. So the website I'm going to show you right now is an essential for a corporate lawyer, and it's called the Enterprise Register. That is basically a system of a legal publicity for all enterprises operating in Quebec regardless of their legal form. So we're gonna add a new tab here, and we're gonna write on the address bar where on the URL right here. We're gonna write Enterprise Register Quebec. So as you can see, you have the navigation menu on the top right corner of the screen, which is the essential. You have the logo right here of Register des Entreprises Québec, and the essential for this website is it's a bank of public information made available to the public. Beside the enterprise register contain information about administration and operating register enterprise for the lawyer. This public information helps you exercise your right. Any corporate lawyer can consult the enterprise register and obtain information about an enterprise by searching and requesting a reservation of name, apply for compilation of information, and etc. Is it easy and free of charge? In fact, the lawyer can declare information such as their activities, the address of the establishment, and the name under which they carry out the activity of the corporation, as well as the name and domicile address of the shareholder, director, partner, and officer who are not member of the board of directors. But basically, this website is gonna help the corporate lawyer to search for any enterprise. If we check for the start an enterprise, you can see all the legal form of enterprise, register, constitute of non-profit. This section is about all the